Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here. Today is Thursday. It's hashtag a Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. And this is week 32, August 6, 2026. Hopefully I can keep this up this year. When I'm busy, and I come home and I'm exhausted. Now that I have some time to craft, it's so much easier. It's so much better. I can come in my craft room and, just sit and sort through my things. I do that mostly because I can't stand not finding something. So I spend a lot of time sorting and putting things away, and I sort of organize my 6x6 papers. Ugh, it's just never ending. So, enough of that. Complaining. I am here to share a 4x6 index card with you all. The other day I was cutting out paper from a Walmart pad. I think it was this Walmart pad I bought. It's Celebrations, and it's, what size is this? This is 8.5 by 11 paper, and I made a bunch of envelopes, A2 size envelopes for, that's the size that I commonly make. And now I have a bunch of birthday card envelopes to use. And as I was doing that, I had a bunch of strips left. I still have these strips from cutting all that paper, and I just used the little thin strips that I trimmed off because I had to cut them to 8 1/8 by 8 1/8 to make those envelopes. And then I used my Memory Keepers envelope board to make the envelopes. So I just, laid down all the strips. I love the background. It's so much fun. I got some stickers that I had in my stash. I need to use them more. It says sweet, has a big, and then here's one of my gorgeous girl dolls that really kind of goes with the birthday theme. I have one of my stickers that I've made with the Hobby Lobby sticker, and yeah, it's a birthday theme card this week. So yeah, I love it. And then you can journal. You can put this in a thinking, I could put this in a envelope and send it to a crafty friend, wish them, in the back I could wish them a happy birthday, something like that. Oh, I just love these gorgeous girls, and I need to use them. So I'm so glad I got to use her. So yeah, so thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.